A condition in Connect is an if this, then that logic statement that allows you to change your design based on data, time of day, or weather conditions. For example, if the data value is negative, then change the text color to red. When creating a condition, your first step is to define the if. When you create a condition, it is applied with the object that is currently selected. Click on the right-hand Properties panel and click Create a Condition to define your if statement that affects the selected object. Begin by choosing value 1 from the options on the left side of the window. In this example, I am choosing a data value from a connection. Other options include data column value from a repeater, current date time or time value, and a value from a URL parameter. Clicking on the drop-down below Select a Value shows more options to choose from. The value preview will show a preview of the current selection. In this case, it is showing the current number as a -2. Next, choose how to evaluate value 1. In our example, we want to change our design if the number is negative, or in other words, less than 0. Finally, select the second value being compared to value 1. For our example, we will manually enter the number 0. During this process, you may notice a sentence is being built above your selections. This sentence shows the if part of your condition. Here's the if statement sentence for our example. If our data input is less than 0. At the top of the window, name and save your condition. Or you can make conditions more specific by adding additional logic and using the and, or buttons. Once you have saved your condition, you have the option to add more conditions or return to the canvas. If you click on Add Another Condition, this will define more than one condition on a single object. Connect will evaluate them in the order you specify until one is true. It ignores the rest. Click on Return to Canvas. Now you should see your condition as you named it in the right-hand panel. Click on a condition, then make any design changes to your objects connected to that condition. This will define the that part of the condition. In this example, I want the number color to change to red. After selecting the negative number condition, I select the properties of the text component selected and choose the swatch to change the color to red. Now the design has been changed, we can switch between the condition and the default view to preview those changes. If you want to make changes to the condition, the if statement, click on the drop-down arrow next to the condition name, then click Edit. You can also remove a condition from the selected component by clicking Remove. Click on the handle next to the condition name to drag and reorder the conditions. You can reuse conditions on other objects. Click the Copy Condition Set button. Then select another object on the canvas, open the Conditions tab, and click Paste Conditions to apply the condition to a new object. Now Connect will change the app design based on the data connection using our defined condition.